Hey, it's Diane from Teach Pre-K, and I'm here in my classroom on a Saturday. I missed work last week due to a back injury. We must always take care of ourselves first. But as a result, I have been here for about 4 hours, totally switching my classroom over, getting ready for next week, getting prepped for next week, making sure I had books out, jobs were changed. Beginning of a new month, so I had to change calendar stuff, door decorations, things like that. It's been a long one, but a lot of people were asking me what's in my literacy center. So I want to show you what I have in my literacy center. Some stuff is going to make a lot of sense. Some stuff is just here because I need a place to store it. And there might be stuff in other places. I did a math center video, and yes, there are things in other places, but I think I forgot. So I'll try not to forget with this one, and I will show you where all my stuff is. Okay, again, if you've seen my classroom, you know my classroom is small. My literacy center is defined by this, literacy. I have got my alphabet over here. I have got my alphabet over here. As we do letter of the week, we start building an uppercase alphabet line up here. And as you can see, that is for carpet games, another alphabet chart. So the alphabet is everywhere. The kids' names are everywhere. They are on their coat hooks, their cubbies, their birthday cupcakes, their artwork, everywhere. And again, on my alphabet line, their placemats. You guys, their names are everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. And I really seriously believe that for early childhood, learning their names is the best thing. And at every single one of my centers, I have a checkoff sheet, and they learn their names by coming here and finding their name and crossing it off the list when they come to a teacher center. That way we keep track of them and they find their name. Another way they find their name is when they first come in. They find their face, which is right next to their name, and they put it in the pocket chart. But they have already come with me out into the hall, found their name, where they put their backpack and their coat. So it is find your name here, then go and find your name here, be surrounded by your name here. Here's my placemats with names on them. Look and find your artwork. It's right below your name. A couple of them just, not this past week because I was there for half a day, but the week before were going, hey, wait a minute, my name's over there. It's with my letter. Yes, it is. And some of them have even noticed, even though it's in handwriting, which is a lot harder to decipher for little kids, they've even found their names on our birthday cupcakes too. So literacy abounds. Okay, I'll show you what I've got. Okay, I've got these letter clips. These are new. I think they come with Science of Reading. They are like a pinch, so really good fine motor activity. This little letter tile swivels all the way around. Of course, I can't get it to swivel right now because I'm trying to do it one-handed. Yeah, there you go. So these would be really good for like letter clip activities. The vowels are red and the consonants are blue. I bought 4 sets, maybe 2 sets, but they don't come in uppercase, which irks me. But this is a good start, and we can also, you know, do a little upper to lowercase matching with those. Okay, so now I've got Unifix cubes again because I love Unifix cubes, and these have letters on them, so we can build our names on these. You guys, if you don't have these, guess what? All you need is your Unifix cubes and a Sharpie, and you can build names, CBC words. Again, the vowels are red and the consonants are blue. I have a game called Alphabet Soup. I have letter and picture cards that came with my curriculum. I use my own. I like them better. This is a little spelling game I do have my Melissa and Doug little paper doll guys, but that's only because I don't have any place else to put them. Okay, these are letter chips, and these are magnetic. Again, the consonants are blue and the vowels are red. I don't really teach vowels and consonants because my kids are too little, but I've got letter cards. I've got opposite puzzles, rhyming sound puzzles, Eric Carle's alphabet. I have alphabet sound puzzles. I've got my first words, all my toys, things that go together, ABC puzzles, magnetic letter builders. These are those strips that you can use to build letters. And oh, it looks like some of my letter A's are in there. I've got these letter tiles. I've got magnet stuff over here, which probably should go in my science. Sorry, you guys, I've got a really tight squeeze here. I've got plastic letter builders, which are kind of like the magnet letter builders. I've got letter beads. So these are cool, you guys. I love these, and I'm so glad I got these. These have 3 different kinds of letter beads. I've got these flat circles, I've got cubes, and I've got beads that are shaped like the actual letter. And those are super fun. Let's see what else I've got. I've got CBC word puzzles, Who Am I game. I have these dollar store cookie sheets for magnetic letter tiles and my magnetic letters. I've got chalkboards and chalk for writing and grit practice, and dry erase boards, dry erase markers, and I use these gigantic puffy balls if you've watched any of my videos for erasers. Flashcards. I've got alphabet mats. We'll do like draw and color the letter. These are just a bunch of felt storybooks that I got at Target. These glasses, we will put these on and go search for letters in our environment. And of course, these glasses help us see the letters better. I'm gonna see if I have anything. Oh, Alphabots and Number Bots. So these are so cool. They are letters, uppercase letters that turn into little robots. Let's see if I've got anything else that's really literacy related up here. I don't think so, but I do have my little library. Yep, I think that's about it for literacy. So if you are putting together a preschool literacy center, I suggest the magnet letters. Those are super important. Get some letter sounds puzzles. Get a few vocabulary matching games. These are things you can make yourself or you can find online, and also, throw in some writing center activities. Dollar store cookie sheets are fantastic for those magnetic letters. Just start using your imagination, like the fake glasses I just saw in the Target dollar spot, and I thought, you know what would be really cool? Kids love to put on glasses and they love to put on hats. And what if we were letter detectives and those were our special glasses that helped us have a superpower to find the letter W around our school? So just start thinking, how can you make letter identification fun, sequencing fun, reading comprehension fun, anything like that. There's, oh, I just noticed something. If you look away in there, oh, no, that's silly. You're not facing the way that I'm seeing. Sorry about that. But I had a letter spot it game that I will play with the kids later on. But have some letter puzzles, have some letter sound puzzles. if there's some stories that have related toys or activity books or anything that goes with them, kids love that. And of course, put their names everywhere. The most important word and the most important letters for those kids is their name, the letters in their name. So that's going to spark learning letters more than anything else. Keep telling them their letter. Oh, you have this letter in your name. You have this letter in your name. And then they all become their letters. And eventually they'll gain some interest outside. So I do letter of the week, and a lot of people don't do letter of the week, and that's fine. There's lots of different philosophies. It's just always worked really well for me. But one thing that I've just started noticing, and this is probably the earliest it's happened in my year, with kids that had almost no alphabet knowledge when they came to my preschool or pre-K, they are finding the letters in words around the room. So if we just learned E, they'll be like, Mrs. Lee, come over here. And they'll show me a letter E in the Dramatic Play Center. And they are so excited that they are seeing this letter that we're learning about. And that means it's becoming concrete. They're really getting it. They're really understanding it. It's definitely going from abstract into the concrete. They're noticing it in their environment. Eventually, they'll start understanding that the letters and words correspond to a sound. That all just kind of starts to happen as they learn more letters and are excited about learning more. And I feel like as early childhood teachers, it's our job just to make them super excited and make learning so much fun and make them really, really, really enjoy it. So I guess the best thing you can have in your literacy center is your own enthusiasm and imagination and just finding more and more creative ways to make literacy fun and exciting. And of course, if they do notice a letter that you're learning outside of your alphabet wall, and make it a big deal. Make them feel like they are the smartest person in the world, because truly it is amazing. Anyway, thanks again for watching.